passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch your I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'.
Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So I'm doing a wig review really quickly for Hairvivi. Now this wig is supposed to be the greatest wig of all time. No, I'm just kidding. It's supposed to be a wig that you do not have to pluck, that you can wear straight from the box. So I'm excited to see if it works for those who are beginners or those who just want something effortless, who don't want to deal with plucking, because I know for a fact a lot of wigs that I do get, there's some say pre-plucked, but for the most part I still have to pluck it. Others, the hairline is just really thick, and it's the same with bundles. This is the wig right here. Oh, from the looks of it, it's pre-bleached. Oh, I'm excited now. I thought I would have to flat iron because it was Jackie straight. As far as the specs, I'll leave that for you down below. And like the length and stuff like that. Or if I, pause the video, I'll just go get it for you guys really quickly. But I want to show you this really quick. Like, it's really nice. Okay, hairnet. So this is the wig, like, right out of the box. That is it focused? So that's what it looks like right out the box. And I am even more excited now. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's already bleached. Like, I don't have to put any foundation. Well, I'm not going to put any. I'm going to see how it works. And they have like a strap on here. I've never seen this strap on a wig. And it's like an adjustable strap. But it's like a bra strap. So yeah, it adjusts, well, it adjusts 3 times. Sometimes I do have to take my tail comb and like make sure all the hair is out. So definitely needs a little more plucking. Like, it's not as realistic as I was hoping for. So it needs a little more plucking. It's not as realistic, but this is a pretty good hairline to start off with and to kind of guide you in the way. So I'm just going to go through and pluck a little bit more. But if you're just looking for like, I thought this was Jackie straight. It doesn't really seem like it. Like, see, that looks okay, like, straight out the box. Like, you don't really have to do much. So that's a little bit better. I'm just gonna spray it and put some mousse on it to make it lay a little flatter. So last time when I did that customization video, I was using this, and this is like the Marc Anthony treatment foam, and I thought it was mousse, but it's not. But this is what we're going to use because it did that unit really well. And I was like, why is it coming out like that? I didn't know, y'all. But we're going to use it. Ooh. Okay. That's crazy about me. But look how flat it laid it. Won't want to hear that. Hey, Delary, I'm cute. Yay. So that's this Hairvivi unit. Oh, that's probably going to be the thumbnail. That's real cute. But that's this Hairvivi unit. I like it, but I won't say that it's, you know, straight out of the box wearable. Like, I would still need a little bit of tweaking. But if you're a non-wig wearer, it's not too hard to get it to where you want it to be. You know, it is pretty effortless. And they actually revamped it and started manufacturing it more plucked once they received feedback. So I think that's a trait that all companies should take into consideration. If something doesn't work for your customers as you're saying it works for them, you should definitely take that feedback and revamp and, you know, just edit what you have going on already. But not to say, this is not a bad unit at all. It's really soft. So anywho, basically the claims of this unit is you don't need baby hair, which you really don't need baby hair for this unit right here. That you won't have to pluck it, but as you can see, I did pluck it a little bit. But look at it, it's still really nice to wear. And what else? What's the other claim? Basically, yeah, newly customized hairline that needs no more plucking. But as I said, I did have to pluck it a little bit, but they have edited that part and started to pluck more. And then comes with bleached knots, an elastic band, and yeah, so that's pretty much. I really like the band, y'all. The band is really nice. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed. Time to take the thumbnail, time to do these portraits, and look at it. So it's not kinky straight, I can tell by looking at it, but it's still bomb. I just reviewed a straight unit, but this one is hitting on something different. It's probably about 22 inches, honestly. Ooh. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for joining.